Do you have leftover scraps from past projects? Don't throw them away. Today I'll show you how to turn those scraps into a waterfall junk journal using a super simple hinge binding technique. No sewing required. It's easy, budget friendly and creates a stunning layered effect. Let's get started. Hello and welcome creative friends. For this journal I'm using leftover brown packaging paper and strips from my Amazon bag. Yes, the same one I used for my Junk Journal January project. You can use any paper scraps you have. Now let's talk about the hinge binding method. This is what holds the pages together without sewing. Cut a strip of scrap paper about 1 to 1.5 inches wide. It means between 2.5 to 4 centimeter. It should be as tall as your journal pages. Fold it in half lengthwise to create a crease. Slide the journal page inside the folded hinge, aligning it with the fold. Apply glue to both the inside of the hinge and the edge of the journal page. Press firmly to secure the page inside. This method creates a flexible yet strong binding without any stitching. It also allows the pages to move easily, making your journal super functional. Start with the shortest at the front and layer the longer ones toward the back. This adds visual depth and makes flipping through the journal more exciting. As you build your journal, you will see how the different pages' lengths create a unique layered look, perfect for mixed media, writing or collaging. This method is really quick and easy. Anyone can do. Do you want to see more techniques like this? Please write me in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So now that you've created your Waterfall Junk Journal, how can you use it? Here are 3 fun ideas. First, as a scrap memory keeper. Store ticket stubs, handwritten notes and small memories in a beautiful way. 2. A collage and mixed media journal. Experiment with paints, textures and layered ephemera. Or 3. A written and doodle journal. Use the short pages for sketches and the long ones for journal entries. I hope this project inspires you to use your scraps in creative ways. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow creatives and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode in my Junk Journals from Scratch series. Happy journaling and see you next time!